Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm glad to have you here. In today's video we're going to talk about the importance of using a fresh ginger root, and in the last video we talked about how you can utilize dried ginger root in your home in order to help with any issues relating to the stomach and to the lungs, and this has been proven in recent clinical trials. Now today's video we're going to cover how you can simply use a fresh root in both Chinese traditional healing as well as the Western traditional healing as well, and I'll also include in the description below the playlist where I talk about different kinds of herbs and the ways to use them, and also any sort of studies that are relating to the use of fresh ginger root that I would like you to have a look at. So in China they use the fresh root mainly in order to promote sweating. They use it to help get rid of mucus in the body. They help with chills as well, and mostly they actually roast the fresh ginger root in hot ashes, and they've traditionally used it for things to do with stomach upsets as well. So in the Western healing have used it as a circulatory stimulant because of its heating properties. What is your favorite way to use fresh ginger root? I'd love to hear your response in the comment section below, and if you have not yet subscribe to the channel, share. I'd love to have you on board. Take care and have a great day.